Hey, let's do a DIY jewelry tray for Mother's Day. I'm Maurice, and this is my sister Amina. This is the supplies you will need: a mixing bowl, a bake-safe surface, half cup of water, half cup of salt, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and paint. Let's get started. First, my sister will add flour. Then I will add salt. Now it will mix. As I'm mixing, my sister will pour water. Now you will mix it until it becomes dough. Next, here's the fun part. You can get your hands dirty and you will be kneading the dough. Kneading means not pushing like slime, but kneading it into a ball. Now you break it into 2 pieces and mold it around your bake-safe surface. Now you can get creative and design your dough for Mother's Day. This is what we chose. My sister wrote Mom, and I wrote a heart. Once the dough has cooled, here's what it looks like. Here's the best part. Here's where you can paint and design your mother's jewelry tray for Mother's Day. Be sure that your project is completely dry. Here's the end results.
Isn't this beautiful? Happy Mother's Day. I hope you have fun. Thanks for watching.